Everyone knows where Roger Stone is. He's not in hiding. The spectacle this morning with a SWAT team breaking into his house, searching the house, scaring his wife, scaring his dogs, completely unnecessary. A telephone call would have done the job and Mr. Stone would have appeared. But let Roger speak for himself. There's nothing to hide. He has nothing to hide, and he's spoken before, and he'll speak to you now. Roger?
Congratulations, Roger. Got you, Roger.
Thank you.
Stand with you, Roger.
Thank you. Well, thank you. Thank you very much. As I have always said, the only thing worse than being talked about is not being talked about. After a 2-year inquisition, the charges today relate in no way to Russian collusion, WikiLeaks collaboration, or any other illegal act in connection with the 2016 campaign. I am falsely accused of making false statements during my testimony to the House Intelligence Committee. That is incorrect. Any error I made in my testimony would be both immaterial and without intent. I find it disturbing that the Special Counsel's Office released a press release prior to informing my attorneys that I would be charged today. This morning, at the crack of dawn, 29 FBI agents arrived at my home with 17 vehicles with their lights flashing when they could simply have contacted my attorneys, and I would have been more than willing to surrender voluntarily. They terrorized my wife, my dogs. I was taken to the FBI facility, although I must say the FBI agents were extraordinarily courteous. I will plead not guilty to these charges. I will defeat them in court. I believe this is a politically motivated investigation. I am troubled by the political motivations of the prosecutors. And as I have said previously, there is no circumstance whatsoever under which I will bear false witness against the president, nor will I make up lies to ease the pressure on myself. I look forward to being fully and completely vindicated.
Roger, will you in any way cooperate with the Special Counsel's Office? Will you in any way cooperate with the Special Counsel's Office?
Since I was not contacted prior to the charges today, and my lawyers have not talked to the special prosecutors, I don't want to address that question. But I have made it clear I will not testify against the president.
The president has tweeted that you have guts.
Because I would have to bear false witness against
The president has tweeted that you have guts. What do you think the president meant by that you have guts?
I will be appearing for an arraignment in D.C. next week, and I'll address those questions at that time.
Roger, the president said that you had guts. He tweeted that. What do you think he meant by that?
Well, I intend to tell the truth. I have told the truth through this entire proceeding, and I will prove that in a court of law.
How strong is your allegiance to President Trump?
I am one of his oldest friends. I am a fervent supporter of the president. I think he is doing a great job of making America great again.
If you're convicted, do you think
contact in the Trump campaign to contact WikiLeaks?
No, I've addressed that before. That is incorrect.
Roger, if you're convicted, do you think the president would pardon you? If you were convicted, do you think the president would pardon you?
Pardon me?
If you were convicted, do you think the president would pardon you?
The only person I have advocated a pardon for is Marcus Garvey.
From NBC News, sir. The question is, did you in any way work with the Russians to help President Trump?
Categorically not. No, absolutely not.
And the prosecutor, the special prosecutor,
We got you, Roger.
is gathering
We got you
evidence.
back,
Has this
Roger.
indictment, will you in any way?
With all due respect, I haven't even had a chance to read the indictment.
You haven't even read the indictment.
Correct. My attorneys have. I have not had that opportunity.
So will you help the prosecutor and answer his question?
I will address those questions next week in Washington, D.C.
Roger,
Roger,
according to the
you.
indictment.
If you didn't do nothing wrong, what do you think to here?
It's your turn in the game.
Guys, break off, break off.
going to go?